Purdy Mark 1.
My name's Gage. Gage. Nice meeting you. What is it?
Carlos.
Carlos, Gage. Nice to meet you.
Crazy, but that's how it goes. Millions of people living this world. Maybe.
What's going on with it?
On it, the steering wheel's got a lot of play.
Why is it idle like that? What do you think, Megan?
Nice. Yeah, come over.
Crazy, but that's how it goes. Millions of people living this world. Maybe it's not too late to learn how to love and forget how to hate. Mental wounds not healing, life's a bitter skin. I'm going.
Doggy, look at that. That there's a pretty horse. Beautiful car, yours? Huh? Your car? Yes, sir. Beautiful car, man. Thank you.
How come this is the car that you wanted? Why 69 Mach 1 Mustang?
I drove it about 20 years ago.
This one?
Yeah. And I asked the guy, my friend, to sell it to me. He wouldn't do it. So will you ever think about selling it, please think about me first.
Right?
And he called me about a year and a half ago.
Wow.
So, like I was telling
Todd?
him, he called me like around 10 o'clock in the morning, and I was in his farm about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, all the way from Iowa.
Holy cow.
So that's when I got that one too.
Oh, that's your car as well?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, you got a collection. These are amazing cars.
And I'm gonna bring in another one for you guys to work on it.
Which one?
That's a 67 Chevy Chevelle.
Yep. Nice, man. That's sweet.
Nice.
Very cool. If I may ask, what do you do for work?
We process the scrap metal.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
So
Like a refinery.
We are like in 7 different states.
Okay.
And we got all their shredders. We do their welding. We do their repairs on their trailers, on the trucks, on their heavy equipment.
Sure, okay.
So that's what we do.
Very cool. Is that your business?
Yes.
Congrats. Very cool.
Yeah.
Nice.
I quit Freightliner about 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Then I started my own thing.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
Any advice on starting your own thing?
Huh?
Any advice on starting your own business?
Not be scared. Not be scared, because I was for almost 2 years. I was living on my mom's social security check.
Wow.
I mean, for 1 minute I thought about taking 2 steps back, but I was like, no. So for 2 years, a little over 2 years, I was living on her social security check. That's what we do now.
So you have a strong support. You had support to try and fail and figure it out.
You're just gonna fall.
Yeah. It's gonna happen.
But it's like you're going down the road, and you hit a bump. It's gonna slow you down, but it's not gonna stop you.
Thank you, man. I appreciate that. That's good advice.
Unless you're allowed to stop. Let you stop.
It's all a mindset.
It's all about moving to the next level.
Yeah, there's always a next level. So how do you figure out what you need to do to get to the next level sometimes?
See, don't think about tomorrow. Don't think about today. Don't think about tomorrow. Think about where you want to see yourself in a year, 2 years, 3 years. Just don't be scared. You might not make it happen in the first year. You might not make it happen in the second year. But if you quit, you will never fucking know. Simple as that. You recording me?
I am. You're awesome, man. You're awesome. Absolute pleasure, Carlos. Well, what are you gonna drive away? Got mom's? Good.
My mom's car again? Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Take care, Carlos. Thank you.